Take a ride in the 2017 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.